I know the frustration we get when we feel like giving up the process of learning something, especially something like a programming language. Seeing the weight symbols and keywords always make the learner confused and perplexed. This is okay because suppose the learner by numerous hardships and headaches. Made it through the remembering and the understanding those alien looking symbols and keywords. The tough part for most learners perhaps always is to deduce logic of the code. Probably this is where most learners feel difficult and lose interest. Confidence and hope for moving forward, which are the elements that play key role in learning a new skill or a language. I myself have experienced such absurd obstacles, but I think I have discovered myself some commonplace ways to break free from those obstacles. First and foremost thing for everything in the universe is fundamentals. Of course, fundamentals are most important. Most people do not understand the power of fundamentals. For example, in childhood, everybody used to struggle in doing multiplication tables. But once we come to higher standards, multiplication feels like nothing. It's just a small step for our large calculus, differential, and statistical problems. So, what I'm saying is, going through the fundamentals will boost your confidence. Now comes the hard step, which is practice. Since practice makes us better, it will make our brain to remember things, habituate the process, and boost our confidence. For example, while coding, we usually forgot the basic structure of code itself, which slows down the process. But if you observe that after a week or two of our coding journeys, we do not need to even think about the structure. Instead, we think about main aim or logic of it. Well, we all hate practice, but practice is what gives your learning so much value. Learning without practice is nothing. No pain, no gain. Simple. And last but not least step of learning is wisdom. The source for the experience will come when we do mistakes during basics and while practicing. For more experience and to master the skill, we need to know the real life uses and try different applications of it. The whole purpose of learning something new is to use it for something useful and good. Hence, I think this is when we can add a new skill to our list